Snow fell softly over the old mountain village, not as a storm, but like a memory returning home. Every rooftop wore a blanket of white, and every lantern glowed like a tiny sun against the winter sky. As the new year approached, the village slowly awakened, not with noise, but with warmth. In a small village hidden between frozen mountains, Grandma and Grandpa prepared for the most important celebration of the year. For them, the new year was never about fireworks or riches. It was about family, food, tradition, and the gentle feeling of being together one more winter. The market streets came alive before sunrise. Red lanterns danced in the cold wind. Shopkeepers unfolded bright fabrics and paper decorations. Children ran between crowded stalls with rosy cheeks and frozen hands. Every corner carried the scent of roasted chestnuts, hot soup, and sweet rice cakes. Grandma walked slowly through the market, searching carefully for ingredients. Not because they were rare, but because every meal carried a memory. Steam rose into the winter air like little clouds. Neighbors greeted one another with smiles that felt older than time itself. Some shared tea, some shared stories, and some simply stood beside the fire, enjoying the warmth together. Because during winter, warmth is not only found in fire, sometimes it is found in people. Back home, Grandma began preparing the New Year feast. Her hands moved slowly, carefully, hands shaped by decades of cooking for the people she loved. She washed fresh vegetables in icy water, stirred rich soup over a crackling stove, and kneaded dough the same way her mother once taught her. Every movement carried tradition, every recipe carried history, and every meal carried love. Outside, winter continued to cover the village in silence. But inside the little home, life glowed warmly. The sound of boiling soup, the smell of fresh dough, the soft crackle of firewood. These were the small things people often forget. Yet someday, they become the memories we miss the most. As night slowly arrived, golden lanterns illuminated the snowy streets once again. The village became a sea of warm lights beneath the cold sky. And somewhere beyond the mountains, another year quietly came to an end. But inside Grandma and Grandpa's home, time felt still. Because some moments are too precious to disappear. Moments filled with warmth, food, family, and winter memories that stay in the heart forever. In the coldest winters, the warmest memories are made. Please like and subscribe.